Hello friends, today we shall discuss setting of a circular curve using chord deflection method. And this method is one of the most popular methods in Indian Railways. It is very suitable for large curves of large radius, which is generally the case in the railways, and particularly suited to confined locations where the land between tangents and curve is not accessible. It doesn't require the theodolite, and therefore it is very popular method when theodolite is not available. Now this is the circular curve, and in this method you divide this circular curve in number of chords, and these chords may be of equal length or may be of different length, but practically these chords are of equal length except the last one, which can be of different length. So let us say this is the point T1, that is a tangent point of the first tangent point of the curve, and you have a chord T1A of length C1, another chord AB of length C2, another chord BC, and it continues till the last chord. R radius of the curve, horizontal curve. Now if you draw a tangent here, then this is the offset from the tangent perpendicular to the tangent, that is AA1, AA dash, and let us call it, its length is O1. Now because this is the tangent to the curve and therefore this angle, let us assume this is delta 1, and by property of a circle, this angle here at center will be 2 delta 1, twice of delta 1. That is basically half of the deflection angle, and this is equal to deflection angle. So in this triangle, if you consider this triangle A dash T A, then in this triangle this angle delta 1 is, let us say, sine delta 1 is equal to O1 upon AT1, that is your C1. Because delta is very small, and therefore you can take sine delta 1 is equal to tan delta 1 is equal to delta 1. So delta 1 is O1 upon C1. Remember, O1 is the offset which we are trying to find out. Now this is 2 delta 1, and if you take this triangle T1AO, then in this triangle sine 2 delta 1 is equal to C1 upon R. Or you can say again sine 2 delta 1 is equal to tan 2 delta 1 is equal to delta 2 delta 1. So 2 delta 1 is C1 upon R, or delta 1 is C1 upon 2R. Remember C1? Chord length, first chord length. Put value of delta 1 here. So you get O1 upon C1 is equal to C1 upon 2R, or O1, that is the first offset, O1 is C1 square upon 2R. Now this is the first offset, perpendicular offset from the tangent, this distance. Now you take the another chord AB of, let us say, length C2, and you extend this chord T1A here, you extend this chord, and this is the now offset O2. Let us call it B dash. So in the next step, we extend this chord T1A and find out what is the offset of this B point, which is on the curve, from this produced tangent. Here, if you draw a tangent here at this point A, tangent to the curve, let us say that tangent goes like this. That tangent goes like this. Now this angle is delta 1, same angle as this angle, because this angle will be delta 1, and this angle, let us say, it is delta 2. And if you join this by O, then this angle here will be twice of delta 2. Again, sine delta 1 plus delta 2 is equal to O2 upon AB. That is your C2, chord length. So delta 1 plus delta 2 roughly is O2 upon C2. O2 is to be determined. Now delta 1 is C1 upon 2R, and similarly delta 2 will be C2 upon 2R. By the same, take sine of 2 delta 2, that will be C2 upon R radius. So if you put these values in this equation, delta 1 is C1 upon 2R plus delta 2 is C2 upon 2R, that is equal to O2 upon C2, this equation. Now let me remove this part. So O2 is now C2 into C2 upon 2R into C1 plus C2. Remember, C1 and C2, they are the chord length. So this is the second offset. Second offset of point B from produced chord. Similarly, you produce this chord here now and find out what is this O3. That continues. With the same philosophy, with the same method, you can find out that O3 is C3 upon 2R into, it was C1 plus C2, so here it will be C2 plus C3. And O4 will be equal to C4 upon 2R into C3 plus C4, and continues. So you have O3, you have O4, you have last one is On. That is the last, if you divide this into number of n chords, so last chord may be of different length. So in that case, On will be equal to Cn upon 2R into Cn minus 1 plus Cn. That is how you calculate the offset. So as I told you that the chord length generally are equal except the last one, and therefore if you take C1 is equal to C2 is equal to C3 is equal to Cn minus 1, and let us say chord length is C. So C1 is equal to C2 is equal to C3 is equal to Cn minus 1 is C, and the last chord is, let us say, Cn, or you can say C1. Then in that case, O1 will be equal to C square upon 2R, O2 will be equal to C square upon R, O3 C square upon R, O4 C square upon R, and up to On minus 1. And the last one, On will be Cn, that is your C1, Cn minus 1, that is C plus C1. That will be the last offset. That is how we calculate the offset from the chord, and that is, it is called chord deflection method, very popular in Indian Railways. Now in the field, to set this curve in the field, what is done, that the position of this point T1 is marked, and this can be either start of the curve, or if you do not have the idea of start of the curve, if you extend this, they meet at a point here. So you know the distance of this, let us say this point is A. So T1A will be equal to R10 phi by 2. Now in that case, phi will be this angle. This will be the phi angle subtended by the curve at the center. So you can calculate what is the tangent length, and from this point here you go back equal to T1A. So this point is marked. Take the tape equal to the tape length equal to the chord length. So you get a point on this A dash. Now keeping one end of the tape here and other end of the tape here of 30 meter, generally it is 30 meter, you just make a arc here equal to the offset A1 dash A or O1. So you get a point here on the curve. Then you got the point on the curve, extend this chord here now, and again take 30 meter from this point, again swing the tape equal to O2. That is how subsequently you keep on doing it and set the curve in the field. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question, you can write.